gonna hit that box. You gotta pull it straight.
What?
You gotta pull it straight. You got that block of wood.
Better you jump it, ready? Oh!
Okay, that's not good.
That's not good.
You just broke the hinge on it. Oh my goodness.
Delete that. How did it break?
Because you're fatness.
I didn't even jump yet. I just stepped on
Yes,
it.
you did jump when it broke when you jumped.
Daddy, when you tried to leap,
I saw it
I stepped.
and heard it.
you broke on metal. You broke
On
metal
down.
wires.
Wow.
Wow.
Here we go, back again for another load. Colby? Oh, bro wants a ride. Boop! It's definitely cold today.
What's up? What'd you step on it? You jumped on it, didn't you?
He jumped
No.
off it.
You saw that the other cable was broke.
Oh no, wasn't it?
Oh, let's put my weight on the other side. Ooh. Ooh.
As you can see, Daddy was not happy, and neither was Colton about the cables breaking. But I told him we could just order some new ones. Here comes the next load.
Daddy wasn't happy.
No. Started fussing about it, but he has to keep fixing everything else. He'll never get to fix what he needs to.
A little big button. I can do it.
It's on the other side too.
No, it's not, but whatever.
It's not.
It's on that side you're on,
I
Goggy.
know.
Here, Daddy, we're gonna pull it up.
There you go.
Yo, this is my...
It's stuck.
How can Daddy do it?
I don't know.
It's
How
stuck.
can Daddy do it?
Hey, that mama's stuck.
I don't know.
All right, well then I'll come help you.
So we're all sitting on
Watch
it?
your fingers now, guys. Don't let it fall back on you. In Colton's words, if you came out more often, you'd know.
Well, I knew.
If you knew, then the hinge wouldn't be broke.
I ain't going through all that work.
It's stuck under a piece of wood.
Getting ready to clean out the greenhouse. It's not too bad. Won't take too long. Here we go. Greenhouse now is completely cleaned out. Now to bring all the stuff we took out, all ready for springtime. Cuban.
Sophia!